He decided to take the spot on me. I'm not very happy about this. He's got a bed, but he's so cute I can't kick him off.
What do you say, Harley? Harley, what do you say? What's this? What's this, happy boy? Happy boy. All crowded in there.
No for certain, of course, Bobby. Radio, Sirius XM 97.
Segway. You're in Colorado. Welcome.
Oh, there are a ton of them.
Oh, there are.
Little brookies. Check it out, Becky. This is called Grandma's Pond. We're on a moose hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. We're not scared. Uh-oh. A forest. Big, dark,
Creepy. The trees have eyes. Forest. We're not scared.
That is Slide Lake up there.
Segway.
And Uncle Tom. With his lovely little blanket.
It's like you just gave him a bath. He has that little baby hoodie on. Baby thing. He's an angry little bird. Segway.
My enthusiasm is palpable.
Good morning. Happy 4th.
This is Savannah. And this is Tiffany. And this is Tom.
That's the way I am.
And this is Lisa and Opa. We are on the float! It is very floaty and full of sand. And now my shorts are full of sand. But oh well, because this is fun.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. We are playing life.
Knife. Knife. Knife.
Honey.
Gosh.
They're still puppies, so they're cute. Wait till they get to be about 8 months old.
Hi, Cash. Hi, buddy. Dominoes, that's what we're playing next.
Segway.
Bye-bye, Kevin. How you liking the ride, Cash?
How are you liking the ride, Harley? Harley's on my lap.
Everything Colorado. Rainbow trout, columbine.
Harley bug. Harley. How do you like the ride?